lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory Mtoi. If you're my oldest subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you are new, welcome, feel at home. Before you leave, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. In today's video, I'll be showing you braiding hands techniques which I normally use. Not only I use when I braid box braid, but I also use when I do Ghanaian lines. But if you are beginners and you don't know even how to braid box braid, or you want to improve the way you do box braid, I have another video. I showed 6 different methods that you can use to start box braid, and I'll put the link in the description below. Kindly go and check that video. It's really helpful and useful. Hopefully you feel happy after you watch that video. So let's back to this video. To start here, I just do 3 strands, but actually this is not an important point, because here I'll be showing you like braiding hands techniques. So about starting, that's not big deal at all. You may decide to start in any way you want. You may decide to braid knotless or box braid, wherever. So let's jump to method number 1, which is fast over. In this method, I'm going to pick the hair with my index and my thumb finger. Then after I hold new section, I'm going to flip section so that I can release my index and my thumb finger ready for pick new section. This is completely for beginners. If you don't know even how to braid, this is best for you. And this is how I started learn how to do braid.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you.
The second method, not far away from method number 1, but this second method, your braiding is a little bit tight than method number 1. And in this method, middle section will be pushed up with my thumb finger so that I can allow my index finger and my thumb finger to pick new section under the middle section. So every time my thumb finger pull middle section up, and then under the middle section I will allow my thumb finger and my index finger to pick new section, and then grab and continue braiding. This method is best when it comes to increase your speed, because this is very easy just to pick and go, and here it's very easy to make the hand move fast, especially when you get used to this method. And method number 3 is the one I called underhand. This method is the best when it comes to tuck hair. Once you tuck hair well, even your style's gonna last long, because especially when you're braiding natural hair, and if you cannot tuck the hair well, after several days, maybe 2 weeks, the hair already start being messy because you didn't tuck hair in. But once you use this method, it's very easy to tuck the hair in, especially once you pull the hair a little bit from right so that you can hold the hair well. And once you pull the hair back, index finger will be in between 2 sections, and then the remaining finger, middle finger and the rest, will also help hold the previous section. And that is how this style goes. just pull the hair, middle finger is there to secure and to avoid the section to slide, and then another hand is free to move and pull back another section. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, turn on notification bell. Don't forget to share with your loved one you wish they see how to do this video. And this is how the hair looks like. Looks pretty good.